Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to animate fire like this. Open the Flipperclip app and then I want a background. So choose the color. I want a black background, so I choose black. And then canvas size is TikTok 180p. So and then project name is yours. So fire animation full tutorial is best for me. So I choose the title. Click the create project. So we have a first frame. We draw the basic form of a fire. So I choose orange is better for me. So I draw a basic form of the fire. So I want to draw 7 points with the one base point. So if you want to 5 points or 9 points, choice is yours. After we draw that, I copy the frame and paste the frame into 14 frames. Now we have 14 frames. Then layer 1 is decreased because this is a not a layer to withdraw. We have to create another layer, the layer 2. We have to draw the layer 2. Draw the basic shape of the fire. Draw like this for 14 frames. Then you got a video like this. Now we had to color the frame. So we have the bucket tool and choose the color picker in the orange and put it the orange in all frame. So now video have like this. And then now I want to draw a inner core of the fire. It is like a yellowish. So I draw yellowish in the middle of the fire and draw all the 14 frames like this. After completing the 14 frames, we have the like this. Next, we have the erase the inner part of the fire. So just play the tool. What if you want to erase? Next step is smudge tool. So we have to choose the brush. I want to choose the sketch brush. So I choose sketch brush. Increase the size of the brush. Just to play the smudge tool. Draw like this in 14 frames. Each frame you draw. After that, we have a draw details of the fire. Some details of the fire you draw. After we draw 14 frames, we get a fire. Now add a layer 3. For the blending mode, I want a blending mode in color dodge. This is better for me. So I choose the color in yellow. Now the brush is airbrush because we have to draw background, some light effects. So I want a brush in airbrush. Now we draw a light yellow in the frame middle. Now we have like this. Again go to the layer 3 and now we have to turn on glow beta. The glow color is I want a yellow. So I choose yellow. I think it is over yellowish, so I want to reduce the layer 3 in alpha color. Now it is good. Now we had the add layer and I want the base layer of all of this because I want to draw a matchstick or wood stick. After drawing a matchstick, use the lasso tool to copy the first frame and paste the all 14 frames. Now we had to complete the animation. After play the video, we got fire animation. And now we had a make movie and click the make movie. Now we export our video. Now we got a fire animation. I think this tutorial video is help for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.